Okay, we are at the Perma City in Makindye, Kampala, and what we are doing right now is transferring the compost manure that has been covered under the ground for over 6 months. Now it has decomposed fully and we are transferring it using a wheelbarrow to this place right here. This is where we are preparing the gardens. So you can look that there is a very distinctive difference between the soil that just came from the compost manure and the soil that is actually around this place. This soil looks red and this one is rich and dark. Yeah, so we are bringing in this soil from the compost into the gardens to make sure our seeds have the best nutrients for their foundational growth. Yes, it is Fliptown, it is Monansi Green Initiatives, and we are at the Perma City, a concept of the future that we are developing in the town here. Check what kind of piece we have here. Yache mbadde njagalira busiga mbukuba obusheni naye lowooza mbulabako. Etaga biri bi earthworm eggulo tetwabikubye yadde y'amaanyi.